So I tried to make one of these little cute, classy unboxing videos of this Miss Dior fragrance that I got for Christmas. And when I tell you, watching it back, I'm just cracking myself up laughing because this is definitely not me. But the packaging was really cute. It was tastefully wrapped, very pretty. Look at me struggling, trying to get the bow open real cute. It's just too much. I'm definitely not one of the classy unboxing girlies. I don't know if I'm gonna do another unboxing video. Look, 10 minutes later, finally got the bow off. But the packaging was beautiful. More struggle, more struggle. Just beer struggle, yo. I had to take a little break to get the plastic wrap off the fragrance, but it's a very, very pretty box. At least my nails look cute. So once I finally got the plastic wrap off, I was able to get the fragrance out. I love the bottle. The bottle is super, super cute. I love the little bow, very girly, which is in line with the fragrance itself. More struggle. Anyway, I finally got to spray the fragrance. I don't know why I'm showing y'all. Y'all can't. But the fragrance smells great. Very floral, very girly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.